Are you ready to reimagine where quality can take you? Welcome to Enact from InfinityQS. InfinityQS enables enterprise-wide visibility into manufacturing quality data, fueling the type of strategic operational insight that leads to global improvements and business transformation. Enact is a cloud-based quality intelligence platform that facilitates business transformation, an organic improvement cycle that we call the excellence loop. With Enact, you gain the ability to aggregate and analyze your quality data across all your production processes. Whether you use Enact on one line, throughout one site, or across multiple sites, you get fast, easy access to insights that can literally change the way you do business. Whatever your company's size or industry, Enact can help you streamline production, simplify communications, reduce IT costs, and pinpoint improvement opportunities. By modeling your processes, Enact helps you visualize and efficiently manage your manufacturing operations. Enact gathers information from any of your data sources and stores it in a standardized format. You can then compare data across multiple production lines, manufacturing plants, or even countries. Enact's intuitive role-based visual dashboards deliver reminders, notifications, real-time views, and on-demand reports when and where you need them. Users can filter and tailor content according to product, shift, process, and more. Enact's software-as-a-service model enables easy scalability and flexible deployments, minimizing the impact on your IT resources. Enact runs on Microsoft Azure for world-class security and reliability. When you're working from a centralized environment, your teams can collaborate like never before. Enact brings the benefits of SPC and quality improvement to teams across your enterprise, allowing everyone to prioritize quality initiatives and critical actions. The platform provides standardization and communication of best practices across sites, departments, lines, and shifts. Plus, overburdened IT teams get a much-needed break, thanks to a reduced deployment footprint and enhanced self-service. Our online help system is available 24/7. with videos, tutorials, best practices, and industry examples for instant access to the answers you need. With Enact, outstanding process and product quality is simply business as usual. So what are you waiting for? Imagine where your quality data can take you. Reimagine quality with Enact from InfinityQS.